Did you know that a common condition known as hiatus hernia affects many people around the globe, causing discomfort and disrupting daily activities? This condition, characterized by the protrusion of the stomach through the diaphragm into the chest cavity, can have a significant impact on quality of life. But what if a natural remedy could help manage this condition? Enter ginseng, a plant revered for centuries in various cultures for its potential medicinal properties. Hiatus hernia occurs when the upper part of the stomach bulges through the diaphragm, the muscular wall that separates the abdomen from the chest. This can happen in two ways: a sliding hiatus hernia, where the stomach slides up into the chest, and a paraesophageal hiatus hernia, where a part of the stomach squeezes through the diaphragm. Symptoms can range from heartburn, acid reflux, and difficulty swallowing to chest pain, regurgitation of food or liquids, belching, and even shortness of breath. Now let's turn our attention to the potential benefits of ginseng. Ginseng, derived from the roots of the Panax species of plants, has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine systems like traditional Chinese medicine and Korean herbal medicine for centuries. Known for its adaptogenic, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties, ginseng may offer therapeutic effects for gastrointestinal health, making it a promising natural approach for managing hiatus hernia. While research on ginseng's effects on hiatus hernia is limited, its broader actions on digestive function and gastric health suggest several potential benefits. Here are a few ways ginseng may help. First, its anti-inflammatory properties could play a role. Chronic inflammation is a key player in the development of hiatus hernia and its associated symptoms. Ginseng contains bioactive compounds such as ginsenosides that have potent anti-inflammatory properties. By reducing inflammation within the gastrointestinal tract, ginseng may help alleviate discomfort and reduce symptom severity. Next, ginseng has been shown to regulate gastric motility, or the movement of food through the digestive system. In those with hiatus hernia, abnormalities in gastric motility can exacerbate symptoms like acid reflux and difficulty swallowing. Ginseng's ability to regulate this process may contribute to improved digestive function and symptom management. Another potential benefit of ginseng lies in its potential to suppress gastric acid secretion. Acid reflux, a common symptom of hiatus hernia, results from the backflow of stomach acid into the esophagus. Ginseng's potential to inhibit this process offers a natural approach to reducing acid reflux episodes and associated discomfort. Lastly, ginseng's adaptogenic properties may indirectly benefit those with hiatus hernia by reducing stress levels. Psychological stress can exacerbate gastrointestinal symptoms. As an adaptogen, ginseng helps the body adapt to stressors and maintain balance. By reducing stress levels, ginseng may indirectly alleviate hiatus hernia symptoms. In conclusion, while more research is needed, ginseng's potential in managing hiatus hernia symptoms and promoting gastrointestinal health makes it a promising natural approach to consider. As always, individuals should consult with their healthcare providers before starting any new supplement regimen.